Hello everyone, hope you're doing great guys. My name is Kesh and today I bring you a new video from m.k.craftedworkshop, how to make notebook from a resin. So today I'll just show you some basic small techniques how to remove air bubbles, because as we go a little bit further on the videos, then I'll be going more and more deep into this stuff, because from the beginning you need to understand basics of resin, how to treat with it, how to mix with it, and how to remove air bubbles, because these three basic techniques you need to learn how to work with resin, and that will make your stuff pretty good and very nice. So why wasting time? Let's go and make it. So guys, here's the final result of our notebook. Please, if you like my video, subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get my all latest videos on time.